In this video, we'll talk about the Trojan Bot Solana tutorial. So I'll show you the Trojan Bot best settings and how to use it. So first things first, head over to your Telegram and then search in here for Achilles underscore Trojan Bot. You should be able to see in here this bot, and as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. You can just buy and sell as well as other limit orders position. You can also snipe, copy trade, and the likes. So for example, you can click onto this buy option in order to buy in here something. Like for example, let's put in here Ethereum. And then in here you can just choose in here how much you want to buy for the Ethereum Solana that you want. You can choose in here the slippage. For example, let's choose in here 0.5 Sol. Then click on the retry option, and then from in there you should be able to actually just buy it using this one. Another option that we can do is we can head over and then just choose a sniper option or copy trade option. For a copy trade, you can just click onto this new page right here in order to actually choose in here target wallet that you want to actually copy.